Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a sleek and powerful audio solution for both casual listeners and audiophiles, the Edifier M60 Multimedia Speaker with Bluetooth 5.3. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below to grab this speaker at the best discounted price available today. If you've been searching for a compact yet premium sounding system for your desk, living room, or entertainment setup, this might be the one for you. First impressions, minimalist and premium build. Right out of the box, the Edifier M60 catches your attention with its clean, modern design. It's compact enough to fit on a desktop or bookshelf but has enough presence to work as part of a living room entertainment setup. The matte finish resists fingerprints, the build feels solid, and the overall design leans toward minimalist elegance, meaning it blends in with any environment without looking bulky or outdated. Edifier has a strong reputation for delivering premium build quality at reasonable prices, and the M60 is no exception. The speaker cabinet is well constructed to minimize unwanted vibrations, helping ensure cleaner sound reproduction. 66 watts RMS output, small size, big power. Don't let its size fool you, the M60 delivers a total of 66 watts RMS. That's plenty of power for most setups, whether you're using it in a bedroom, home office, or medium-sized living room. Even at high volumes, it remains clean and distortion-free. The power here is balanced, you get both clarity and punch without overwhelming bass or harsh treble. High-res audio and high-res wireless audio, studio-level clarity. One of the biggest selling points is the high-res audio certification. This means the M60 is capable of reproducing audio frequencies up to 40 kHz, way beyond what standard speakers can handle, capturing all the fine details in high-quality music files. And it doesn't stop there. With high-res wireless audio and LDAC codec support, you can stream high bitrate audio over Bluetooth without losing the richness and detail of the original recording. If you're into lossless streaming from platforms like Tidal, Amazon Music HD, or Kobo, or you simply want the best sound quality from your phone or laptop, this feature is a game changer. Driver setup, 3 inches mid-bass plus 1-inch tweeter. Inside, each channel houses a 3-inch mid-bass driver and a 1-inch tweeter. The 3 inches mid-bass driver produces warm, full-bodied mids and tight bass that gives body to vocals and depth to instruments. The 1-inch tweeter handles high frequencies with precision, ensuring cymbals, strings, and vocal sibilants come through clean without being sharp. This two-way design offers a balanced, accurate sound signature suitable for multiple genres of music, from acoustic to EDM. Bluetooth 5.3, fast and stable wireless streaming. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get faster pairing, a more stable connection, and improved energy efficiency compared to older versions. This means less delay, fewer dropouts, and better sound quality for wireless playback. It works flawlessly with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even some TVs. Plus, with LDAC support, you can enjoy near lossless audio quality over Bluetooth, a rare feature in this price range. Multiple inputs, USB-C and O. In addition to Bluetooth, the M60 offers USB-C and 3.5mm aux inputs. USB-C ensures compatibility with modern laptops and PCs for a direct, high-quality audio connection. O gives you the flexibility to connect older devices, MP3 players, or even a turntable with a preamp. Switching between inputs is quick and hassle-free, making this a versatile choice for different setups. Performance, music, movies, and gaming. I tested the M60 in 3 different scenarios, and here's how it performed. 1. Music. This is where the Edifier M60 truly shines. The balance between bass, mids, and treble is spot on. Vocals are forward and natural, bass is present but not boomy, and highs are crisp without harshness. Whether it's acoustic tracks, pop, or high-energy rock, the speaker keeps everything clear and engaging. 2. Movies. For films, the wide soundstage helps separate dialogue from background effects. You can hear subtle details like footsteps, ambient noises, and environmental effects clearly, making movie watching far more immersive than with standard TV speakers. 3. Gaming. When gaming, the sound imaging helps pinpoint audio cues, like the direction of footsteps in shooters or environmental effects in open-world games. The M60's clarity makes it easier to react quickly in competitive play. Volume and clarity at high levels. One thing that impressed me is how well the M60 maintains clarity at high volumes. There's no noticeable distortion, and the tonal balance remains intact. That means you can crank it up for parties or intense movie nights without worrying about damaging the sound quality. Ease of use, simple yet functional controls. The top-mounted control panel is intuitive, allowing quick volume adjustments, input switching, and Bluetooth pairing. You also get a small remote for added convenience, making it easy to control from across the room. Build quality and longevity. Edifier is known for making speakers that last, and the M60 feels like it's built to go the distance. The drivers are well protected, the enclosure feels sturdy, and the internal components are engineered for consistent performance over time. Who should buy this? Music lovers who want high-res sound in a compact form. Wireless streaming fans who care about high-quality Bluetooth audio with LDAC. Desk or small room setups where a full-size home theater system is overkill. Gamers and movie fans who want clear, impactful sound without giant speakers. Final verdict. The Edifier M60 Multimedia Speaker delivers a fantastic mix of power, clarity, and versatility in a compact, stylish package. With high-res audio certification, LDAC support, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C connectivity, it's ready for both wired and wireless high-quality playback. At 66 watts RMS, it's powerful enough to fill a medium-sized room while staying clean and distortion-free. Whether you're listening to high bitrate tracks, watching movies, or gaming, the M60 handles it all effortlessly. If you want a speaker that blends audiophile-grade clarity with modern wireless convenience, this is absolutely worth considering. Check the link below now to get it at the best discounted price before this deal runs out.